Round number 13. It's very simple, so I decided not to show the chart. You can see how many single crochet we have to do in that round. I have already made one raising loop, and into the arch we have to make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Into the next arch, 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I skip this element, and into the arch I will go with 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the little arch in here we make 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and into the corner arch we have to make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how it's gonna look like. And into the corner we will make 3 single crochet into this one here. 1, 2, 3. And again from the other side the same. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into this small 2, 1, 2. Into the next one, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the next 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This way you can see already how the corner is forming. Other rounds will just make it stronger. And we also have to continue the same way. This is the last, what I'm gonna show you. 2, 3, 4. It's 12 single crochet. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can help yourself to stretch thoroughly